By default, Google Chrome will not allow you to take screenshots in incognito mode. You may even see a black screen right now, because of course, screen recording is also not allowed. Now, for those of you who insist on taking a screenshot in Chrome's incognito mode, switch to normal mode. Then type Chrome flags in the address bar. Look for a hidden feature called Incognito Screenshot. Then change the option from default to enable. And relaunch your Chrome app. Now let's test it. Open incognito mode. And yep, now screen recording can also display Chrome Incognito mode. And of course screenshots can also be done. That's all for this video. Hopefully it's useful. And thanks for watching.